Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your game activity on Steam. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Steam, then go to your profile name and select profile from here. Here you can see option edit profile. Just click on it. Now go to privacy settings. Here you can see your game details has been set to friends only. Here it is. Just change it to private. By doing this, your game activity on Steam will be hidden. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.